This is initial PCB design of my wristwatch. Let's see the back side. Here we go. There are several main components here. The microcontroller is here. It uses ESP32-S2, which has an internal USB-C DC for uploading and serial connection. So it's saving space because I don't need serial converter chip anymore here. Just hook up the serial pads from this chip to the USB Type-C connector here. Yeah, this is a real-time clock from microcrystal. It is extremely small, and the accuracy is about 1 ppm, 1% ppm at 25 degrees Celsius. Actually, I never used it before, and I don't know much about this real-time clock, but I already requested the sample from the manufacturer. Another chip here is this one is battery management from Microchip Technology. It used for LiPo battery charging circuit, and the battery itself will be connected using this GST connector, 1.25 millimeter pitch. Another chip is here. This is a regulator chip. It's regulate 5 volt from the USB to 3.3 volt to powering all of the components, all of the electronics. And this blue one is not the capacitor. It is the antenna, SMD antenna. There are so many SMD antenna manufacturers actually. I don't know which is the best one, which is the good one. So I will randomly choose that fit to the board. And if some of you have any experience of this, please let me know. And this is a reset button. Yes, this is a reset button for resetting this microcontroller or to entering the programming mode. And these 3 buttons for navigating the menu. They are up, middle, and the down. This black one is the vibration mother. And the last one, this is a FPC connector for the display. Yep, and I don't use TFT display actually. Even the pixel is better and have a rich colors because it will draw current quite large. So I designed to use a sharp memory display, which is a technology between liquid crystal display and e-paper. So it consumes less current and have a nice looking. That's it. Hope there is no mistakes on the schematic and layout. Finger crossed, and we'll let you know the updates later.